Hello, if you're watching this video, your chances are you're searching for water treatment, wondering what's available to you and what you need to get, and probably a lot of other questions as well. Hi, my name is Craig Phillips. I'm the owner of Quality Water Treatment, qualitywatertreatment.com, also known as Craig the Water Guy. Quality Water Treatment has been in business for over 29 years now. We are here to supply you with help on getting the best water treatment and water softener system for you and your family. We carry high quality products, well-known brands such as Soft Pro and Fleck, and we really put a lot of time and effort into making sure that all you folks out there that don't know much about water treatment or water softeners get the right advice and get the proper equipment and get the technical support that you deserve before and after you purchase your equipment. And that's the thing that we pride ourselves on. So I want to go over this with you real quick as far as water treatment goes. Okay. So when you Google water treatment and you go to images, it comes with the process. Basically, what you're seeing here is processing plants for municipal supply. Some waters that you receive in your home actually were initially derived from sewer plants. So basically, the sewer plants take the water and they treat it and they put it in a holding reservoir such as these. And then they treat the water a little bit more, and then they put it into the water treatment processing and run it through to your homes here, as you can see here. So when you get the water's fairly clean, but it generally has a lot of hardness minerals in it because the process does not remove hardness minerals. It has chlorine in it or chloramines, which is the process that the municipal supply companies use to kill the bacteria in your water. And they do have to do testing on a regular basis and keep certain contaminants down below the MCL maximum contaminant level set by the state or the government. But nevertheless, there's always things that are going to be in your water that you're going to want to remove. So your best course of action is to get a water treatment system for your home to make sure that you're removing whatever might be in there to protect you and your family and your household and your investment. Okay. So that's how that process works. You get into filtration systems. Filtration systems is part of the process I'm going to tell you about that you should take care of as far as getting something for your whole house. So we're going to jump right into that here real quick. At our website here at qualitywatertreatment.com, the first thing you want to do is size your water softener by going to our sizing calculator here. And once you size the water softener properly, it's going to give you some choices. But I'm just going to jump into to speed the process up for you here real quick. I'm going to jump into the one that we always recommend, which is our Soft Pro Elite Basic system. And I'm going to show you the package that I feel that would be best for you and your family to give you the best quality water you could possibly get throughout your whole house, as well as your point of use for drinking and cooking, ice maker, stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and go to our best water softeners here and go to our Elite Basic system. Okay. So the Elite Basic system, we have different packages, but we're going to go with the Elite Ultimate package because this is basically your whole house water plant. Okay, is what we're going to call it here. And the reason why it's a whole house water plant is because it removes all the things that we just talked about. Pesticides, herbicides, petroleum products, chlorine, chloramines, triethylene gases that are derived by overchlorinating, which is pretty typical. And triethylene gas has been known to cause cancers, as well as products that can be derived from pharmaceuticals that can get into your water supply through the sewer system and stuff like that. So the first thing it's going to do is for the whole house, it's going to run through the upflow carbon filter that has its own bypass valve. And the water runs down through this tube, goes up through a bedding gravel, goes up through the carbon, and that removes all the things that I just spoke about. And this carbon here, the carbon that we use is different than everybody else uses. Everybody else uses what they call a granulated activated carbon, also known as GAC, or they use a coconut-based carbon, which is fine. Those carbons will remove everything that we just talked about, except for the chloramines. It'll remove the chloramines, which is being used more and more to disinfect the water instead of chlorine because it's less expensive for the municipal supply companies to use that. The thing about chloramines is that it's harder to remove at higher flow rates with standard carbon, as well as it's highly corrosive to your plumbing. Any metal that it touches, it's highly corrosive. It starts pitting after a while to where you can start getting leaks and stuff like that because of the ammonia base that they use to make the chloramines. So the catalytic carbon that we use here, we switched to that a while ago to cover all the bases. It will remove the chloramines as well at higher flow rates. So for bathing in and stuff like that, you can rest assured that's going to remove a high percentage of it. You don't have to worry about a bunch of it bleeding through that you would normally get with standard carbons. Okay. Maintenance on this carbon filter, just like any other carbon filter for the whole house, is 3 to 5 years on city water. You need to replace that carbon, which you can purchase from us, and we'll give you instructions on how to do that when the time comes. Warranty-wise, you have a 5-year warranty on the upper control valve here. There's really nothing to go wrong with that. It's just an in and out valve. There's no electronic components or moving parts. And the tank has a limited lifetime warranty through the manufacturer. The tank also comes with a protective neoprene washable black jacket to help protect the tank and give it a nicer look. The second thing it does is run through our Soft Pro Elite 1-inch high flow water softener. The water softener is going to remove the hardest minerals from the water. Hardest minerals cause problems with dry, red, itchy skin, dandruff, dry hair, plugging your plumbing up. Your hot water heater gets less efficient, doesn't last as long. It costs you a lot of money in maintenance and upkeep with your all your appliances, ruins your dishes, your dishwasher, pretty much everything it touches. And so you want to soften that water, and it's definitely going to pay for itself and make you and your family a lot healthier, as well as save all your appliances and your dishes and your clothing and everything else. It's a must-have. The thing about the Soft Pro Elite Basic is it's 1 inch, it's high flow, so you get very little pressure drop through the system like you would through your standard water softeners, like your Fleck 3/4 inch water softeners, for instance. The other thing about this system is it's upflow. So instead of the water running downward through the resin like your standard softeners, it runs down through the tube first, upward through the resin, lifting the resin up, giving you a really good contact time with that resin bed. And it also has new age technology built into this valve. The new age technology, you can find more on our website about that here at the bottom of towards the bottom of the page here, about halfway down actually, for high performance. It goes over the precision brining with you, the reverse flow regeneration, all the new age technology is explained to you right there. And by using that new age technology, the system is saving you and your family up to 75% on salt and 64% on water every regeneration over the traditional softeners like Fleck, Clack, General Electric, stuff like that. So these systems actually pay for themselves. The average family of four sizing the system properly using our sizing calculator will save an average family of four $220 per year in salt and water savings alone. So the system will pay for itself. It continue to pay you over the years. The warranty on this is spectacular. It's got a 10-year manufacturer warranty on the control valve and a lifetime warranty on both the mineral tank and the salt tank. It also comes with the black neoprene washable jacket like the carbon filter does. So it's a whole complete system. You can rest assured this is going to last you for many, many years, 15 plus years easily. Now, so that takes care of your whole house. Between the carbon filter and the softener, you've got really good water coming out of the house. And we've topped it off with a 5-stage, high-efficiency Go Green reverse osmosis system. This system comes with a long neck swivel reached faucet with a swivel with a chrome handle on the side instead of your cheap plastic up and down handles. So you don't have to worry about popping off on you, causing issues. We will actually take this faucet and change it to a different color for you if you want to send us a picture of your faucet at your kitchen sink. we will send you a picture of a faucet that we think matches best, and we'll swap it out for you free of charge when you purchase the system. But for this, instead of get this chrome faucet, you get a faucet that is more the color of what you have going on at your kitchen sink there. Now, the other thing about this system here is that makes it better is that it's a high efficiency. So it only wastes 1 gallon of water for every gallon that it wastes. Your typical reverse osmosis systems waste 3 to 4 gallons for every gallon it wastes. So it's better for the environment and better for your pocketbook. It doesn't cost a fortune to operate the system. What we've also done with this system is that when you go with the package here, the ultimate package, is we are using an alkalizer filter here at the top, right here. So the final thing the water runs through is the alkalizer filter, and it raises your pH to 8.0 to 8.5, which is nice alkalized water. So basically, you have really good bottled water that has been alkalized, so your pH balance is high, which is great for you, and just the best reverse osmosis you could possibly get. The other thing is that this RO system has a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Most typical ROs only have a 1-year warranty. You can find these systems at qualitywatertreatment.com. You go ahead and go to our best water software page, our software pages, and look up the Software Elite Ultimate package. And I hope that helped you folks out, and have a great day.